Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can change your group chat name inside of iMessage. So here you can see that I have a chat going on between me and a couple friends. So if I want to change this name, the first thing we want to do is just select where it says 2 people, or however many people you have in your group chat. You want to go ahead and select that. And then it will open up a menu that looks like this. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to select where it says change name and photo. And now we have a couple different things that we can do. First off, if we just tap where it says enter a group name, I can go ahead and select this and I can change the group name. So maybe I just change it to the guys, and then you have a couple different options. We can either make the icon a picture, and we can just take a picture. We can upload a picture from our camera roll. We can make it an emoji by selecting that little emoji face right here. We can also keep it as the guys, but then inside here, we can, change it. So it'll look a little bit different. And yeah, this is how you change the group chat name inside of your iMessages. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.